In this video, I'm going to show you how to display your Facebook reviews on your Elementor website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Reviews Feed Pro plugin. To purchase the plugin, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your download link and the license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Reviews Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Here we are now on our WordPress dashboard, and the first thing we have to do is on the left-hand side, hover over Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Next, click on Upload Plugin at the top and upload a zip file for Reviews Feed Pro, like this, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And there we go, Reviews Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started with your Facebook Reviews feed, on the left-hand side, you'll now notice Reviews Feed. Go ahead and click on that, and inside the plugin, we'll first have to paste the license key. Copy the license key from your Smashballoon account and paste it here like this. After that, click Activate. Now, to get started with your Facebook Reviews feed, click Add New. And for the first step, we'll have to add a source for our Reviews feed. Click Add Source, and here it will show you all the possible sources you can add. With the plugin, you can create a feed of reviews from Google, Facebook, TripAdvisor, Yelp, Trustpilot, and WordPress.org. Since we want to display our reviews from Facebook, we can select Facebook as the source and click Connect with Facebook. This will take you to Facebook, and on this step, we'll have to provide Smashballoon with access to your Facebook page. If you're already logged in, you can click on Edit Access, and on this screen, you can see all the Facebook pages you manage, and you can control which pages you give access to. Find the Facebook page you want to display inside your reviews feed and toggle it on over here. And just like that, we can do it at the bottom and the last one here as well. Once that's done, go to the top and we can close this and click Continue. After that, inside the plugin, you can see that page added as an option for a source. You can select it, then click Add Pages as a source. Now you can select it as a source and click Next. And for our last step, we'll have to select the template for the layout of our reviews feed. We have options like the default, simple cards, masonry, single review, and more. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with the masonry template and click Next. And just like that, we have a beautiful preview of our new Facebook reviews feed. All the latest reviews from our Facebook page are displayed inside the feed in the template that we selected. This is now ready to be embedded on your WordPress webpage, but before we do that, let me show you how we can customize this. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Layout. Inside, you'll find several options to modify the layout of your Facebook reviews feed. At the top, we have 3 different layouts you can choose from. Currently, we have the masonry layout selected, which displays reviews in rows and columns. Above that, we have the list layout, which displays your Facebook reviews in a single column list. And lastly, we have the carousel layout, which displays your Facebook reviews in a swipeable carousel like this. For this tutorial, let's continue with the masonry layout, and if you look below, you can choose how many reviews you want to display inside the feed on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Currently, we're displaying 6 reviews inside the desktop version of the feed. If you wanted to change that, you can simply go and modify it like this. For example, if I wanted to display 3 posts instead, I can change it to 3, and you can see that change made instantly inside the live preview on the right-hand side. We're now only displaying 3 posts. I'm going to change that back to 6. And underneath that, you can also choose how many columns you want to display inside the feed. At the moment, we have 3 columns, but once again, if you want to modify that, you can just enter the number of columns you want to display. For example, if I want 4 columns, that's what it will look like. We now have 4 columns inside our Facebook reviews feed. I'm going to change that back to 3, and if you're happy with the layout of your Facebook reviews feed, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header at the top of your Facebook feed, go into the Customize tab and click on Header. Inside, you can see settings to modify the different elements inside the header, such as the heading, the write a review button, and the average review rating. Each of these elements can be customized individually and also enabled or disabled inside the header. For example, if I wanted to hide the review button, I can simply deselect it like this. You can see that the button has now disappeared inside the header. I'm going to bring that back, and you can do the same thing with the heading and the average review rating. And if you'd like to disable the header entirely, you can go and toggle it off at the top here. And as you can see, our header has now completely disappeared from our reviews feed. I'm going to bring that back, and if you make any changes, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to customize how each individual review is displayed inside the feed, under the Customize tab once again, go into Reviews. Next, click Edit Individual Elements. Inside this menu, you can see the different elements inside each review, such as the author and date, the rating, review paragraph, and images or videos if they're available. And just like the heading, you can modify each individual element, or you can choose to enable or disable them inside the review. For example, if I wanted to hide the rating, I can disable it like this. You can see that the star rating has now disappeared inside the reviews. And if I bring that back, the live preview displays it once again inside the review. But you'll now notice that the star rating is sitting at the bottom of each review. This just demonstrates that you can control how the elements are stacked inside each review. Currently, we have the rating sitting at the bottom, but if you wanted to move that to the top once again, just click and drag it to where you want it to sit, just like this. And instantly, we have the star rating back in the default position. If I wanted to move it to the top, I can drag it and place it at the top. And once again, you can see that change instantly inside the live preview. And you can do the same thing with the review paragraph as well. You can move it and place it exactly where you want inside the review. I'm going to change that back to the default layout, like this. And if you made any changes, make sure to click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want to filter the reviews you display inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. Inside this menu at the top, you can add a filter to only display reviews containing specific star ratings. For example, if I only wanted to display 5-star ratings, I can go and click here, and the feed will only display ratings with 5 stars. Underneath that, you can also add words as filters, so that your reviews feed will only show or hide reviews containing those words. And lastly, at the bottom, you can also filter reviews based on their character count, with a minimum and maximum. This way, you can choose whether you want to display bite-sized reviews or longer in-depth ones. And if you've added any filters, make sure to click save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create, customize, and moderate your Facebook reviews feed, let me show you how we can embed it on your Elementor webpage. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to and click Add. Now inside your WordPress webpage, click Edit with Elementor. And here we are now on our Elementor webpage, and to embed our Facebook feed, we'll first have to add a shortcode block. So we can search for shortcode, that's this one here, and we can drag it and drop it in the middle of our Elementor webpage. And now on the left-hand side, we can paste that shortcode we copied earlier, like this. And just like that, we have a live preview of our new Facebook reviews feed directly on our Elementor webpage. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live website. And here we are now on our live Elementor webpage, and right in the middle is our new Facebook reviews feed. This feed is currently featuring all the latest reviews from our Facebook page that we connected, and in the masonry template that we selected. At the top of our reviews, we have the heading, the star rating for our Facebook page, and the write a review button on the right-hand side. If a site visitor clicks on that, that will take them directly to Facebook, allowing them to conveniently leave a review directly on your Facebook page. And inside each review, we have the author and date, the profile picture, the star rating, and the review content. And as you can see, Reviews Feed Pro makes it super easy to display social proof from your Facebook page on your WordPress website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.